decided to focus on estate planning and elder law in part because of our experience with my grandmother and her struggle with dementia in her later years.
I was motivated to want to help more than I could just as a paralegal, and I knew this was the area that I wanted to be in.
Our firm is Surprenant and Beneski. I'm Dan Surprenant, one of the managing partners, along with my sister, Michelle Beneski.
Our firm specializes in estate planning for people of all ages, elder care, elder law, asset protection, probate avoidance, and minimizing taxes.
What I would say to people before they're in crisis is now is the time to plan. We get such better results if we can plan early. One reason for that is in the world of long-term care, Medicaid has a 5-year look back. So a lot of the things that we can do, we need to do 5 years before it's needed.
It's important to know where your risks are and how you can minimize those risks before crisis strikes.
Typically we get a better result when we start early, but there are still lots of things that we can do in a crisis. We get started with new matters with a free consultation. We carve out 90 minutes for every client to talk about their goals and their family and their assets and how we can apply the law to achieve those goals.
I think since the pandemic happened, more people have come to realize how important it is to have estate planning documents in place. And we have tried really hard to make it easy for people to be able to do that, whether it's having an initial consultation by telephone, or a Zoom meeting in the evening, or in person if that's something you're comfortable with. We want to make estate planning as available to you as possible.
I think what sets us apart is the client experience that we're trying to provide for people.
When a prospective client calls our office, they can expect friendliness, warmth, empathy, and a vast legal knowledge that our entire team brings to the table.
The firm tries to stay very involved in the community. We partner with lots of local businesses. We're involved in various boards.
We do a lot of educational programs. There's so much misinformation out there that giving good quality information to the people in our area is incredibly important. Very often people come to us stressed, worried about what might happen if they get sick, what type of squabbles are going to arise within their family. And they leave here being able to rest a little more easily.
When we're able to take a family from crisis to peace of mind, it's a wonderful feeling. I feel like what I'm doing in the community has value and really privileged to be able to do that.